Mentabun ki ap kami lenti bagajela kan yok ban penlong ya gawai ni kelumpung il akai ke bahaya jongkari hakane kejela. Menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kasithok diang jokatayo lalu mi kejingelang jongka National Games Organizing Committee kabalai pukundai bani syong perkhat akabayadai bat kejing penkrek kejela bani openlong ya kan National Games ha kasnem arhajar arpuar.
Hakani kejingelang lawan bani Shimantare ki Menteri Sarkar ki he ofisa kejela ki nongelam jong Meghalaya State Olympics Association bat kiwe hakabakile taisani ya kejing temu jong Sarkar jela ban penlong ya kani kelumpung ile ka ke bahe hakari India. Habaikiran bikinong patai kubor u Konrad ke Sangma ulaong ba kejingelang kala ajing menjur ban penlong ki jingile ka ki babun hakeleng ki jaka jong kejela na kabenta ban sedang no ya kejing tai bat laya tairu na kabenta ki jaka ki banlong ki jaka eye training ban penbiang ya ke umbam umdi ka boarding electric ka surok bat kiwe ulaong ba laya keren kumnu ban pendan kam ki katu kat ni ki jaka ile kai ki bede jong ki kunhun bat ki jaka puli ki beladon lepa kum ki jaka ban le ya ka training ni wat ban penlong ya ka National Games. Ulaong ba ka Sarkar kelala ban itu ya ki jindan kam bat kan lum kumba saus pa san folklore tengka na kita nak beper jong ka Sarkar pedeng na ka benta ban sna ya ka stadium ile kai bat kala buru ya ka thong lanu ban IT ya ka tender bat lanu on sedang no ki kam ki jam baro bat kumnu ban ajing kersha ni kinong ile ka kejela ki ban pen kre ha ka ban Shimantah ka National Games. Hakabede ba kajing bamyo takma kinong ile ka kejela ki be Shimantah dangshan ha ka Khelo India Youth Games ka balai ha Guwahati u Konrad ke Sangma ong ba kejela kam simlala ban le kai bha hanrei ka dei pat kalat ban pet ye ka kom pen kre bat dang don kam ban pen bha su Hanrei da kajing dan sap jo kinong ile kai bat da kajing sim kya ki kunhun ile kai bat leng ba kajing kersan jo Sarkar on la ban ile kai bha bat kajela kan wan hakaman ha kalempong jo National Games u Konrad ulaong ba ka Sarkar kan simru ikilat lenti ban ai kajing hikai ka babyang bat ban penbiang hikitiar ba ki jakai ile kai na ka benta kinong ile kai kajela nang bakin la ban long kinong job takma ha ka National Games. Habakali laka jela Meghalaya kan yok ban penlong ke National Games hak senam arhajar arpuar khamtam habakiwe jela ki ba khamat ke Meghalaya kimpala ban penlong ke National Games nakaliang Menteri rang ba ulaong ba ka jingelang kalai tai halor kani ka benta hanrei ka jela Meghalaya kan long lupa ka bala penkre ba kan ya sakhamat habaro ki jing penkre ki jongka na ka benta ka senam arhajar arpuar hanrei kan songpat ha ka Indian Olympic Association bakan shim ya karai.
We also briefed the entire committee regarding the different steps taken by the government of Meghalaya to put up the infrastructure, and we briefed them that almost close to 450 crores have been mobilized by the government of Meghalaya from different departments, including Social Justice Ministry, including Tribal Affairs Ministry, NEC, Monetary Affairs Department. So different departments and from the government of India have been moved to give fund for the different infrastructures that are required for development of this of the stadiums. And as I was mentioning, at this point in time, close to 450 crores have been identified, and we are working on it. So we hope. We also gave a timeline of the infrastructure work that will come up, when the tenders will be allotted, by when the work will start, when do we plan to finish the work. All those timelines also were shared with the committee.
Other states could not host the National Games till date, so do we expect that Meghalaya will be able to host the National Games in 2022?
You see, this question was raised also in the meeting, but our reply is very simple. We need to be prepared. Meghalaya State, the Meghalaya Government, Sports Department, MSOA, we must be prepared. And so we are going ahead with our preparations for 2022. Apart from that, what are the external factors is something which is not in our which are not in our control, is something which I cannot comment on. But we as a state and as a government, we will be ready for the 2022 games, and we are hopeful that we will be able to host it based on the terms and conditions and the hosting of the other states that are there, and depending on what IOA has to say about it. But as I said, having said that, the most important point is that as a state and as a government and as a department, we will be prepared for 2022.
What steps will the state government take to ensure that the participants who will participate in the national game that will be hosted by the state, they will come out with flying colours?
Well, the only thing that needs to be done is to ensure that proper training facilities, proper guidance, proper coaching, proper infrastructure is given to these sports people. Our youth are very much talented, you know. It's not the talent that they lack, but I think it's the facilities, the coaching and the training that's required. So we will ensure that from government side, along with the associations, we do what we can to support all these organizations so that the best facilities and the best coaches and the best training can be given to our youngsters so that they can come out successful in the games.